In this video today, I'll be showing you how to change out the wiper blade here on this 2012 Toyota Prius C. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Random Fix and I have a Toyota Prius C. I need to change out my wiper blade and I want to share that with you guys. So I'll leave you guys a link to this wiper blade in the video description box down below. It came with the front and rear wipers for under 20 bucks and you will find those down below. And in case you're new to changing out windshield wipers and you don't want to give yourself a big old headache, what you can do is once you remove the cover here, you can go ahead and put a piece of tape with some sort of cardboard in case the windshield wiper snaps back down by accident. It will not crack the rear glass. And to change out the wiper blade here, you just have to come over here and pull these two little tabs out. And once you do that, this pops off. You want to take the windshield wiper now and pull it back. You want to come over here and you want to pull on this. Once you do, it will unlock the rear wiper here. Now all you need to do is grab your new wiper and you want to put it in a way where it kind of swivels in like that and lock it into place, put it back down and put the cover back on, and we are all done now. How easy was that? And so I hope the video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you guys want to check out the front wiper video, I'll leave you guys a link to it in the video description box below, and you guys can see how I got the windshield so nice and clean. And when I drive this in the rain, the water is just going to go ahead and just beat off because I took 2 extra steps before replacing the windshield wipers. Make it a great day. Thanks.